I've both $1 million mindset, a blend of business acumen. Making millions isn't a guaranteed path, but there are definitely skills that increase your odds of achieving financial success. It's not just about one specific talent. It's about cultivating a well-rounded business acumen. Here's a look at a few key areas to focus. Visionary leadership. Great businesses solve problems or provide value in a unique way, honing your ability to identify opportunities. Think strategically and inspire others is crucial. You need to see the big picture translated into a clear vision and motivate your team to achieve it. Body text. Marketing savvy. Even the best product or service needs a strong marketing strategy, understanding your target audience, crafting compelling messaging, and leveraging the right marketing channels are essential for getting your offering noticed. And financial fluency. Numbers are the lifeblood of any business. Being able to read financial statements, understand cash flow, and make sound financial decisions is paramount. Whether you're a natural with numbers or seek guidance from a financial expert, financial literacy is key. Sales prowess. Making millions often boils down to your ability to sell, be it a product, service, or even yourself as a leader in your field. Mastering the art of persuasion, negotiation, and building strong relationships goes a long way in driving sales and revenue. Adaptability and innovation. The business landscape is constantly evolving. Cultivate a growth mindset, embrace change, and be willing to adapt your strategies. Additionally, fostering a culture of innovation within your team allows you to stay ahead of the curve and seize new opportunities. Remember, these skills work best in concert. While some individuals may be naturally gifted in one area, success often comes from continuously developing a well-rounded skill set. There will be challenges and setbacks, but with perseverance, a thirst for knowledge, and these core business competencies, you'll be well on your way to building a business that thrives.